In reality, a footwear company that may not offer us equal opportunities within its managerial, production, and distribution lines, where the major share of the company's profit is spent, only needs to pay a few $1,000s to a celebrity who looks like us for advertising. The next morning, we take all the money that we should invest in our collective development, millions in total, and give it to this footwear company by buying a product we may not even need. In Ghana and Nigeria, there are well-functioning, locally established automobile manufacturing companies, Kantanka and Innocent, respectively. The governments of these countries act as if they support these local companies, only to turn around and purchase vehicles costing billions of dollars from the economies of their former colonial masters. Are they not aware that the most crucial aspect of business development and sustainability is the market? Even if the product you for watching, please subscribe and share.